On this month's monthly recap for August 2021, babymon gets a parrot kiss. Hitch finishes a long bike cycling journey. Rellik is very scared of heights, and much more.
We be chillin' at a Chauncey's, eating lots of burgers, yo, we getting kinda hungry. And they cooking it up, we stirring it up, we flowing like this, and then pours out a cup like the lemonade. Yo, it's really lyrical to flow like this, and you know it's too cold. Yo, we never stop, but we be dropping in, but try to switch the options like the lanes. What's good? Better eat at Chauncey's Burgers if you know what's good for you. They got lots of hot links and stuff. They got the avocado too, with the onions and tomatoes. Yo, we got the news. They be at the top, man. Headed to the grind, and you know you better support them. Give them every single one of your dollars. You better do it if you really want to holler.
Oh shit! I wasn't expecting that.
Do you just? Okay, sorry. I was like, sorry. Dude.
You okay?
I'm okay. Let me freak out.
Hey, you behind me. Mind helping me grab this big piece of meat?
Oh Christ. Shamefully just walking away.
She's sitting on the rocks.
Is that her? That looks like her.
She said she's sitting on the rocks. Oh,
that's her, yeah. Yeah, with the selfie stick. There she is, right there.
Someone clip and send to Jinny, please. LOL. Oh my god, that's so creepy that she's so close, you guys.
That's hilarious.
That's why I chucked in the cheeseburger.
Thank you. Let's get some dinner, guys.
Hi there.
Oh, hi there. Can I get a 10-pack nugget combo?
Yeah. Which one? Medium or large?
Large.
Can you drink?
I'll get a Pepsi.
So we only have Coke.
Coke?
Yeah.
I'll just get a gram then. I mean, fuck, sorry. I'll get a Coke, thanks.
Yeah, anything else?
Fuck. And a cheeseburger as well, please. Thank you.
Yeah, anything else?
Oh, no, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, driver.
Thank you. Cheers. Fuck, my bad. Oh my god.
Don't do it, Willie. Oh, don't do that.
I gotta get comfortable.
Stop, my eyes are closed. I'm gonna freaking throw up water all over you.
I gotta get comfortable.
Don't.
My wallet's coming out.
Stop shaking it.
My wallet's coming out.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. He
Don't do
wants
it.
me to do it.
No, don't do it.
Do it.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Should I shake the cart?
No.
Oh,
stop.
Should I shake the cart?
Yeah. No, don't do that. I swear to God, I'm gonna freaking kill you.
Should I shake the cart?
No. Ah, stop it. Oh, shit.
Should I shake the cart?
No, do not shake the cart. No, stop it. Stop telling him to shake the freaking cart.
Should I shake the cart?
No.
Oh, they're on the phone.
Okay, thank God.
Should I shake the cart?
No, 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 stop it. Stop.
Stop.
Oh, shit. No!
No. I didn't even ask him.
Hello.
Pog you, I get the resub on Mount Fuji. This is hella epic.
Whoa.
Thank you.
I just got so clear. Okay, 3.
Oh.
Hey guys.
Hey! Oh! Dude, what's up, man? Did you scoot over here?
Oh yeah.
Dude!
I just woke up.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
I see you guys already came parked.
Wait, oh, nice!
I came
Dude,
for seconds.
I'll need the double, dude. Honestly, I'll need the double. Jake and Bake in the clutch. This guy's a hero.
Easy, right? Easy. All right, let's look at the Atlantic Ocean first, because we spent 101 days trying to. Is that an iceberg? No, it's a boat. It is a boat. There's your North Atlantic. Iceberg season's a little earlier.
They doesn't like kissy sound. He went for the kiss.
I know I'm not sick.
Hey, fuck! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Fuck out! Stop riding so close, bitch! Stop riding so close! Get the fuck out of here, man! Give me space! Fuck out of here! Fuck you!
What the?
All right, 3, 2, 1. So, wait, I have to get past you?
Yeah,
Well, we have challengers has arrived. Which one I want to challenge him? He's a professional soccer player. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, no! Oh! Dude! There you go! Dude, between the legs! With all his equipment, with a gun.
If you're interested in looking to getting whitelisted, please look below in the video description for links. You can also contact me direct message on Discord, email OutdoorIRL@gmail.com, or DM me on Twitter @OutdoorIRL. Thanks for watching. Please, if you found any value in this video, hit the like and subscribe. If you love Outdoor IRL content, hit the bell to get notified on other videos. See you next time, guys.